If you're tired of spending countless hours editing videos and you're looking for a faster way to do video editing, then you need to try out this software. Check this out. There's an option which says AI text-based editing. I can come to the second option which says silence detection. And you'll see once again that my video is 5 minutes, 18 seconds. But this section gives me different settings that I can apply. I'm just going to leave the settings as they are on default and click on analyze. It's going to analyze my whole video and identify all the places where there are silences. And then I'll click on export to timeline. And it's gone ahead and removed all the silences. And as you can see, from 5 minutes, my video is now 2 minutes, 20 seconds. So the name of the software is Filmora. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a review and tutorial to show you how it works. Let's get into it. With Filmora video editing software, it's never been easier to edit videos. They've just released a ton of new AI features that make it super easy and simple to edit videos. What would normally take you hours to do, you'll be able to do in just a few minutes. With the help of AI, you'll be able to create professional, amazing looking videos that will take your video editing game to the whole new level. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be giving you a complete overview of Filmora, mainly focusing on the new AI features so that you can get full insight into what to expect when you download Filmora. Now, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video that you can click on and try Filmora for free. Full disclaimer, yes, I am an affiliate of Filmora, meaning that if you use that link, I will get a compensation if you decide to use their paid plans. But of course, it's going to be at no extra cost to you, but it'll just be a great way for you to support this channel. Once you've downloaded Filmora to your desktop and you've opened it up, this is what it looks like. Now, I'm just going to briefly explain the different things that you see on your screen here. Firstly, it starts off with the Create Project tab, which I'll explain shortly. But immediately you see the Filmora Cloud, which basically allows you to be able to work with other people in different locations on the cloud as you collaborate to work on the same projects. Then there's the Creator Hub, which is a collection of different videos that you can actually watch, which will teach you how to use Filmora. You can find tutorials like beginner tutorials, or you can find more specific tutorials which will show you how to get certain results, for example, starting a faceless YouTube channel. Then there's the AI toolbox, which is a grouping of different AI tools that you can find within the software that will help you to achieve different things. For example, you can do screen recording, just like I'm doing right now. You can do AI text to video, which means you basically give the software some prompts and then it'll be able to give you a full completed video based on what you ask it. AI text-based editing and silence detection, which are two exciting ways that can help you to edit your videos faster. And then there are many other AI features here, which I'm going to explain shortly. But firstly, when you are trying to create a project, you're going to click on the Create Project section here, and then you're going to come here in the center and click on New Project. And this is what the interface will look like. This is the area where you're actually going to be editing videos. So the first thing I would need to do is import a video that I want to start editing. So I'm just going to locate one from my computer. As you can see, I'm choosing this one. Click on Open. And then to actually start editing the video, all I just need to do is just drag it down here to my timeline, and then I can start working on it. Now, just like any other video editor, you have the option to see the video that you're working on, and then the audio will be at the bottom. And as you can see on this particular one, you notice that these waves here are where I'll be speaking, and then where there are gaps, these are silences, or basically where I was quiet and I was not saying anything. Now, your job mainly as a video editor is mainly to cut out these silences and make it just one video that is consistent and progressive. So one of the tools that you'll find here in the taskbar is the cutting tool. If I just drag this tool here, I'll be able to choose where I want to cut, and I'm going to click on the cut tool there. And then you'll notice, like to the left here, this part has been cut out. I can click on it, click on delete, and then my video is going to immediately start where I am talking. Now, that's how we normally edit videos. But depending on how long your video is, it actually can take a lot of time. So what Filmora has done is that it's added some AI features that can speed up the process. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click on the video, and then I'm going to look for this option which says Smart Edit Tool, and then I'm going to look for the option for AI text-based editing and click on that. Choose which language I want to use. I'm just going to leave it on English US, and then it's going to convert the whole video into text. Next, your page is going to look something like this, and you have this section here where you will get the text, which is in line with the video content. And so just the same way that you would edit a Word document, you actually can come in here and choose the sections of the video that you don't want just by simply reading, and then you can cut them out. For example, you notice that right here I say, so you're looking for the easiest, and I say it again, you're looking for the easiest. Then I say it for the third time, so you're looking for the easiest. These first two times were mistakes that I made. So what I can just simply do is that I can just put my mouse cursor there, and then I can highlight the first parts that I don't want, and then I can simply click delete on my computer. And you'll notice right here also on the timeline, the section has also been highlighted. And now, before I press delete, I want you to notice that this video is actually 5 minutes, 15 seconds in length because it's got all the mistakes that I've been making plus all the silences. But once I come here, highlight the section that I want to delete and then click on the delete button, the time is also adjusting here because I'm removing all the sections that I don't want. Also, because I can see that there are many places where I had these silences where I wasn't talking, the AI has actually detected that. And if I come here and I click where it says delete all silent clips, once again, you notice my video is 4 minutes 52 seconds. But when I click on that, it removes all the silences. And as you can see now, my video is 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Then all I just have to do is just play the clip from right here, and then see the parts that I'm happy with and the parts that I'm not happy with. And now I can use the text-based editing to make the changes. Once I'm done, I just click here where it says export to timeline, and then the video will be exported to my timeline with all the changes that I made. The other way to actually also do this is if I just delete all this and then I come back to the video before I put it to the timeline. If I just right click, there's an option which says AI text-based editing. I can come to the second option which says silence detection, and you'll see once again that my video is 5 minutes 18 seconds, but this section gives me different settings that I can apply. I'm just going to leave the settings as they are on default and click on analyze. It's going to analyze my whole video and identify all the places where there are silences, and then I'll click on export to timeline, and it's gone ahead and removed all the silences. And as you can see, from 5 minutes my video is now 2 minutes 20 seconds. So these are just two great ways to actually speed up your editing process without it taking you hours actually cutting out all the mistakes and the silences. Now, aside from your actual video content, you might want to add on some B-roll or some stock footage. There's an option for you to come here at the top and click on stock media, and you can identify different stock media that's already in Filmora, or you can actually use the AI image generator to actually generate images for you. You just simply need to come here, give it an instruction. For example, create for me an image of someone playing golf on the moon. Give it a few seconds to create the image, then you can download it and add it to your timeline. Next, you might want to just add some music that will be playing in the background and enhance your video. You've got the option of using different music and sound effects. You can also use text-to-speech, where you just simply input text and then it will be able to create a voiceover for you. Or you can use the option for AI music. You just simply come and tell it what's the mood. For example, if you're happy, you can choose the theme. Is it cinematic, broadcasting, or whatever? Choose your genre, and then it will generate that type of music for you, which will be 100% original, created by AI just for you, and then you then add it to your timeline. Next, you can also add some titles to your videos, and you can use the different templates that are there for the titles. You can use title effects, and you can use title templates, which normally come with like different graphics added onto them. But two great features that you also want to be aware of: when you click on AI captions, you'll notice the option for speech to text, and the button there says transcribe. What it will do for you is that it will actually listen to your whole video, and then it will create captions for you, such that when you are talking, you can actually have words that are popping up, which are a transcript of exactly what you are saying. And then you will have the option to actually choose the font, choose the styles, choose the effects of those captions, or you can actually create captions but then translate them into different languages by clicking on this option to translate here. Now, this is very helpful if you are just like me. You create most of your content in English, but then you want to reach out to people in different countries and be relevant to them. Then, of course, their transitions, their effects, and their filters, all these help to enhance your video content, to make it look better, to make it look more high production quality. Something else that you might also want to try playing around with is stickers. For example, if I say right now, like and comment on this video, you can use the different stickers that appear there, or you can actually ask the AI to create stickers for you. You just click on AI sticker there, give it a command and say, please create for me a subscribe button, sticker, or anything that you want, and then it will generate it for you, and then you download it and use it in your timeline. And also there are templates that you can use, and the nice part about templates is that they speed up your process. For example, maybe you want to do a YouTube intro. Rather than creating it from scratch, you just simply choose which template you want. Then all you just be doing is that you're going to be editing it, adding your text, adding maybe your images, adding your colors, or anything that you want to use. Another great feature that they've also added is that you can actually talk to AI, and it can help you to plan, it can help you to understand how the software works. And you can simply find that by clicking on this icon right here, and it's going to open up the Filmora Copilot, which is basically a feature that allows you to ask Filmora AI some questions, and then it's going to be answering you. So you just come here, enter a prompt, and then it will give you answers based on what you asked it. Now, once you're done editing your video and you're happy with it, the next step is for you to simply click on export, choose your file name, where you want it to be sent to, and then the format, and then export, and then your video will be ready in a couple of minutes. Now, let me show you some of the AI-based features that you also can access that I didn't show you when we were creating this new project. If I come back again to the main dashboard and I click on AI toolbox and I click on AI text to video, I can come here and give it specific commands and ask ask it to create a video based on what I ask. For example, I can just tell it, can you create for me a video that is about maybe how to lose weight? I give it instructions, I tell it what to do exactly, and then I'm just going to give it a few minutes. Then it's going to be able to generate a video about that. Plus, it's going to have a voiceover. And you notice right here at the bottom, there's this option which says clone voice, meaning that you can actually give it your voice, and then it will listen to your voice. And then when it creates videos, it makes videos that sound exactly as if you are the one who's speaking. Then there's also AI copywriting. You just simply come and ask it. For example, I can come and say my video topic is going to be how to lose belly fat in 5 steps. Leave the output language on English, click on generate, and then it's going to give me a response based on my questions. And then I can then use the responses that it gives me in my process as I am coming up with video ideas. If you found value in this video, please share your support just by hitting the like button. It really would help with the algorithm so that more and more people get exposed to this content. Feel free to also leave me a comment if you've got any questions or any software that you want me to review. And if you're not yet a subscriber, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you'll be notified every single time I share more content to help you to discover great softwares that can help you to grow online. And also, if you're looking for a way to manage all the content that you create, you might want to check out this video next, which will show you a great software that you can use to manage multiple social media platforms all from one dashboard.